Can we request people who are standing to perhaps move to this side of the hall or to the back, because students will be coming in this way. All right? So thank you so much. So, Asim? Amir?